Hello, NeXT community. I'm having fun here on a Saturday working away. So I stripped down this parts printer for Paolo Bertolo. He's restoring a NeXT printer in Japan. And I thought it was kind of funny because I see a little face or a little robot guy. Here's one eyeball, here's the other. He's got eyebrows up here. Then the funny mouth. Getting loopy at the black hole. Whee! Hope everybody's having a good day. And next to it, I'm working on a turbo color to see if this motherboard that was having problems before is working. And so I'll have some fun projects coming up. Getting organized over in my shop here, so hopefully things won't be so cluttered by the end of the weekend. All right, have a good day.